Hi, Mark here. This video is for those of you who have already seen my first video on the tool shop 10-inch miter saw blade guard. I've got this blade guard off now, and I'm going to show you how to reassemble the parts of it. I've already put the spring back in here in this circular area, catching this tab here and this one over here. It's sprung in there and it could spring out at any moment, so you want to quickly put this part on, catching the rubber part here, right there, and then bringing this down over the hole, making sure to catch the other part of the spring with that tab. You see how the tab is over that part of the spring? Now you want to get this big screw and washer on the underside, coming through, and then put this washer and nut on there and tighten it down so that it's still loose enough to spring and work. And there you have it.